What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. Today you join me in my kitchen with the Ford Fiesta key to show you guys how to remove and replace the battery. Dead simple video, requires little time, little effort and little tools. Everything you can see in this shot here is what you'll need. Your key of course, for your Ford Fiesta, a small flathead screwdriver. I'm just using the bit, but you can use a full screwdriver, just anything with a small flathead on the end, and a new battery. I'll let you know what sort of battery you need in the video, so stay tuned for more and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the battery for the Ford Fiesta. Right guys, so as you can see here we have the key itself, and on the back side, the side where the badge should be but it's missing on this, there's a little hole right here. So I'm going to get a small flathead screwdriver, you can see that there. I'm going to stick it into the hole and sort of twist it a bit and push forward, and it should clip out like that fairly easily, and you can pull the key bit away, leaving just this bit here with the buttons on it. Now the next thing you're going to notice is there's a couple of small tabs here and here on each side. Again, small flat screwdriver, same tool. I'm going to stick them in and pop that one back like that, and do the same again on the other side like so, opening up the inside, revealing the battery. Now the important bit you'll want to know, the battery you need for this key is a CR2032. Don't know if you can see that there, and that's where this comes in. We've got a brand new one here, an Energizer. Other brands are available. And the next thing we're going to do is, it's probably better not to use something metal, but it shouldn't make too much difference, is gently, there's a small tab there holding the battery in, just gently pop the tab back. I'd say hold it back with your finger, and at the same time get your screwdriver in the other side like so, releasing the battery. Now that's actually all battery out. And now it's just a case of getting the new one, brand new CR2032, what did I say? And it's going to pop straight in the holder. You've just pulled the old one out, face up so you can see the writing on the battery, and you'll probably find, I've already messed it up, that it'll only go in one way like that. So make sure it's nice and in, well, make sure it's in properly, and the little catches pop back over it. And then we can simply, and it is as simple as this, clip it all back together. Now you're just going to get the two pieces and pop them like that. That's it, it's done. And it just clips back in on its own sort of thing. And then next we can get the key bit, and it simply slides over the right way around. Say simply, there we go, and you'll hear a nice little click as it goes back in properly.